Hello and welcome to week 5, semester 2 of Business Operation Management. I'm Syeda and I'll be covering this session. We will focus on understanding the concept of flexibility in business operations and also identify examples of flexible business and their strategies for adapting to the market changes. If you're looking to what is agile management, this is a modern management approach that's suitable for dynamic and competitive business environment, as this involves breaking projects into smaller increments and working closely with cross-functional teams, welcoming changes in requirement, and also regularly gathering feedback to deliver valuable and high-quality product and services efficiently to the customers. This also focuses on team management, team working, building in small steps, listening feedback, being able to be flexible, and also trying to improve at each stage. It's like also building like a Lego set, a Lego castle with your friends and making it awesome together. So if you look into the necessity of agile management, this provides a lot of flexibility within the team. This is customer centric. This is faster time in terms of to the market. This improves the quality of the work, and also the adaptability to the changes are really high. So when things are all dynamic, we need to be agile to survive and succeed. And this helps towards the first growth of the organization, making better decision-making process. So there are certain values for agile as well. This is very simple, informal. There's leanness, excellence as well. Continuous improvement is also one of the key values for agile management. They are customer focused. They focus on efficiency and effectiveness and looking forward towards sustainable growth of the organization. If you focus on the simplicity and elaborate further, this is making things more simple, easy to implement, as well as reduce waste at times. And this is amplifying the learning and understanding as well. If we elaborate informal, this reduces all the unnecessary overhead, faster decision-making process. This improves the trust and confidence among the members and building genuine trust within the customers as well. If you look into the sustainable growth, this focus on long-term success and growth of the organization, focusing on customer loyalty and employee commitment. Agile methodology has certain stages. The first stage begins with planning. Following that, it's designing of the product or the business model, developing to it, testing it in the market, deploying it, and reviewing it. Once this process is being executed, that's when the final launch takes place. If you look into the importance of efficiency and effectiveness, this is in terms of business operation refers to achieving goals with minimal resources, time, and effort. And this, on the other hand, also focus on achieving the desired outcomes and meeting customers' needs and expectations, as this helps the business to reduce the cost, improve profit margin, and stay competitive within the market. Effectiveness also ensures that business deliver high quality product and services, maintain customer satisfaction, and build positive reputation as well. This also emphasizes for the business to strive to balance efficiently and effectiveness to achieve operational excellence, the long-term success in their respective department. Other theory that you can adopt for your business would be the Kanban method, because this is a workflow method that's developed also by Toyota that is focusing on lean production. And this is a system for scheduling the Kanban facility production and inventory control as well. This has acclaimed for its ability to yield vast quantities of product. And this is one of the foremost methodologies throughout which work teams can accomplish just-in-time production process as well. There are certain pros and cons for agile management. If we look into the pros, This provides a lot of flexibility for the organization, because adapting to change requirements and prioritizing it through the project is one of the key flexibility of this management technique. Customer satisfaction, because continuous feedback loops and customer collaboration is one of the process for agile management to ensure that the final product meets customer expectation. Faster time to the market. By breaking the project into smaller integrations and delivering incremental value, this methodology enables faster delivery of product, increment of features, reducing the time in the market. Improved quality, as this promotes continuous testing and integration, and feedback process leading to an early detection and resolution to the issues that's happening with higher product quality, reducing to the rework. This also enhances the team collaboration because this emphasizes across cross-functional teams, collaborating and shared accountability, and also fostering a positive team culture. The very last one over here is adaptability to change. This frameworks also focus on providing structures and managing changes effectively, and allowing the teams to reprioritize their tasks and adjust plans based on evolving requirement and feedback. If you look into the cons of agile management, complexity, because this requires the learning curves for the team transitioning from traditional project management process or approaches to this one. And this also implements practice effectively and may require training and organizational adjustments. Resource intensive is another cons of it, because this is processes all the daily stand-up, sprinting plannings, and a retrospective of required time and effort from both team members and stakeholders. And this also impacts the resource allocation. Scoping management, this also interactive with the nature and can lead to scope of script. If required, it's not well defined or managed properly. Another one is dependency on team collaboration, as this relies heavily on effective team collaboration and communication. So challenging team dynamics or skill gap dependency among team members can hinder the project process. Documentation and governance, this prioritize working software over comprehensive documentations. While this promotes faster delivery, it may also pose some challenges in maintaining the detailed documentations. The very lastly is customer involvement, as this requires active customer involvement throughout the project. This can also be challenging if customers are unavailable or have a limited availability for feedback and collaboration. If you look into the success story, there are a few success stories highlighted over here. One of them is Microsoft, Netflix, Spotify, Google, Amazon. Thank you so much for listening.